Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Remobet. But before we get into that, I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. Link below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here open up on Grindsoft, and the danger zone is very high. So as you can see, this is what the website looks like. So as you can see guys, if you compare this to a website, for example, this website called OrSwap, this is exactly the same as this one, just with a different color and a different picture, but the same logo. So that's actually a red flag. And fortunately, they have already been taken down, and it's an unsafe website. So as you can see, they actually go over is it safe or not. So unfortunately, not likely. This website is a scam website, so please do not enter in any information or personal information in this website, since may be very well compromised. So they promise a free reward just by signing up, which is actually too good to be true. And sometimes the picture they use is like for Ronaldo or a picture of Mr. Beast. So please do not use this website, guys. They are completely a scam. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.